Yes, I'm here in 7-Eleven. Alright, in Argonaut Highway in Subic. Alright. Yan. You can comment and subscribe last year. Alright. Watch this video. Alright. Wala nang intro, puro diretso tong vlog na ito. Alright, yung video natin walang intro. Alright. Dito tayo sa Argonaut Highway. Balik na tayo, mainit. Dito tayo sa sakyan. Alright. Ayan, 7-Eleven, Argonaut Highway, Subic. Alright. Ayan. Beef bulgogi. 69.